Okay, let's look at the Word document. Now remember, to open a Word document, we said you click on Start button and you then type Word. According to my laptop, it's Word 2013 like this, and if I click here, I'll then open my blank document here. So now I have my blank document. So what I want to do right now is to copy text from one document to the other. So I want to make use of copy. So how do I copy? There are two ways of copying. The first thing is to highlight and you press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and then you go to the page that you want to place your document, your text, and you press Ctrl+V. With that, that is how you copy. And again, another way is to again highlight your text, right click. Sorry, you highlight your text, you then right click, and you say copy. You go away to the next page or where you want to place your text, and you say Ctrl+V like this, or you can say right click and you click paste like this. So basically this is how you copy and paste text. So I just want to remove the text, the second paragraph here. If you want to remove, you can say Ctrl+X. So this is how you cut your text, or you can highlight your text and again right click and click cut like this. So with that, you can say you've removed the text, or you can highlight and delete your text. So we want to play around first with the heading, Tell 1 Zimbabwe. What I want to do, I want to capitalize each state, every word. So I'll write, I'll click here and say capitalize, and of course I want to make it a heading. So I will go to heading on my home page and I will click heading 1. Now because this is a heading, I want to change the font size to 18, and I want also to broaden my heading. Now again, maybe we are talking about, I will write about one. So this is now my second heading. So this is heading 2. So I'll highlight again and click heading 2. As you can see, the font is reduced. So I'll also click here, I will broaden, and with that, this is my heading 2. So this is how we formally write our headings. As you can see, according to my document, I've got 2 errors that I want also to look at. The first error is underlined red, so I'll highlight the error, and I will see if I am supposed to change the name, the word, or I'm supposed to ignore or add to dictionary. So I will then say it is supposed to be the second. So that is that. Again, I'll do the same to companies, and I will do that. So this is how you do the spelling check. Suppose you've written Mrs. Dube, and according to the laptop, according to the machine, it is, let's change the name to Mrs. Washanyira. I will say Washanyira because something like this. So this is a new word to the machine. So it will ask, this is an error, what must I write? Is it Washanyira or what? So I will say, I want to add this to my dictionary. So I will say ignore add to dictionary, or I will say ignore all like this. So this is how you correct errors. Now let's go back to our home page. We learned about justifying our text. It is of great importance to justify your text. And again, as you can see inside the paragraph, I've written first here, and you can make use of the superscript. Let me highlight. You highlight the ST, and you make it the superscript. If you want to make a subscript, maybe you want to write 10 base 2 like this. If you want to make it a subscript, you simply highlight and you click the subscript. And there's also need to zoom your text by playing around with the zoom slider on your taskbar. So you play around with the zoom slider to increase the font. You also play around with your zoom slider to decrease the font. So this is how you increase and decrease your font. Now let's go to insert. We are saying that we are also allowed to insert a table. So I want to insert a table with 2 columns and 5 rows like this. So this is the inserted table that I have. So this is how I insert the table. Now you are also allowed to insert pictures. Unfortunately, I don't have pictures, but I will insert online pictures. So you are allowed to insert online pictures. So I'll click insert, and since I'm online, I can now search. I want to insert a flower. So it's searching. So you can actually insert your flower inside your Word document by clicking insert, and you say online picture, and you choose the picture of your choice. Unfortunately, it's taking long. While it's looking, it's still searching for the picture. We are saying that again. Oh, there is we said we are searching about flowers. So if I say flowers and I click enter, it must then display some flowers, and then I'll choose the flower of my choice and click insert. So I'll choose the flower of my choice and click insert. So it's now loading to my document. So this is how you insert online pictures on your Word document. Sometimes you may be asked to design your the organogram of your company. So you make use of the smart art. I will choose this format, and we are saying maybe according to this format, we've got something like this. So suppose maybe this is the directors, these are the directors, the 2 directors, or maybe this is these are the managers, and these are the supervisors, and we are saying these are the technicians. Now this is how you design the organogram by making use of the smart art. And you can also insert shapes by clicking insert, and you choose any shape of your choice. So what you do is to press enter, insert shapes, and you choose a shape of your choice, and you paste it like this. And maybe you can choose the shape to be empty, and then you enter the text that you want. Maybe you're talking about classes, and then you enter the text inside the shape. So you can also insert charts. You're allowed to insert charts inside your document by clicking insert, then chart, then you click here I've got different types of charts. Then you click the chart of your choice, and you say okay like this, and you then insert your chart. So this is how you insert your chart. I'm trying to remove the shape. Let me just delete it. Okay, so this is how you insert your chart like this. So you can also add the chart title. Maybe you are talking about I'm talking about my students. So this is how you insert the chart title. So basically, this is what we need to know. And if we go to page layout, you can then make use of the page break to break from one page to the other. So you then say, I want to do a page break. I want to do the text wrapping and the like. Basically, this is how we play around with the Word document. And after that, don't forget that we also need to save our document. We click save and save as, and we are saying I want to save this document to my desktop like this, and then you then write this is about One Zimbabwe, and I said I want to save it as a Word document under documents, and you click save like this. So This is how you save your Word document. And again, it is of great importance to also include the header and the footer. So I want to add a header, and I prefer the banded. And remember, the banded is editable, and this is actually showing us the page numbers. And with that, you can say you've added a footer. You can also do the same to add a header. And after that, don't forget to also click the close footer or header to go back to the original page. So this is basically how you play around with your Word document. Thank you.